Hello, this is Diana and I'm going to record the video tutorial demonstrating how to add the external blog to the profile on Moodle. Okay, first of all, I'm going to go to the preferences and have a look here. So we have the section called blogs, and here we can register an external blog. I don't have any blogs now, I think. So, but first of all, we need to get this RSS feed URL. So this is the required field. And if you don't know your this feed URL, there is a neat tool I'm gonna show you called, okay, here we go. So, and this site allows you to create your links, RSS feed links, in a matter of seconds. So I'm going to sign in because I am already signed up to this site and I don't have any feeds yet. So I want to create the feed to my YouTube channel. So here is the link. I just copy this link and I get back to this feed generator. New RSS. Okay, we have a lot of possibilities here. You see, you can get the link to your the RSS feed to your web page, Instagram, Google News, YouTube, Telegram, and a lot of other choices. Look how neat it is. It's nice, very nice. Okay, so YouTube, I'm gonna paste this link and generate the feed link. Nice. Okay, just a matter of seconds. When I preview, I can preview it and see how it will look. Okay, everything looks fine. I like that. Okay, close. So now I will copy this link. It is copied, and I will get back to Moodle, to this registration page, and I'm gonna paste this link to this field. Name. Okay, description. I can actually leave it like this, and then I can edit it, just add some information and so on. Okay, tutorials, some tabs. I'll put some tabs here. ESL. Educational videos, something like that. Okay, so, and save changes. Let's have a look. Okay, so it's valid. Nice, nice. So now if I get to my profile, in the blog entries, I'll be able to see. Yeah? Okay, so that's the titles, and I think it takes a while to get those videos here because there are a lot of them. So, okay, cool. So that's how you register your external blog. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.